What if I told you one of the most powerful tools for staying consistent on keto has nothing to do with carbs, calories, or willpower? It's something most people overlook, and it can be the difference between starting keto and actually sticking with it long term. If you've ever felt like you're constantly starting over, getting frustrated, or losing momentum, this might be the shift you've been missing. Let's talk about it. Point number one: your brain repeats what feels good. Your brain is always paying attention. It remembers what feels rewarding and what feels frustrating. So if your keto journey feels like restriction, pressure, or beating yourself up, your brain is going to push back. But when you start recognizing the small wins, making a better choice, drinking your water, getting through a craving, something changes. Now keto starts to feel like something that's working for you, not something you're forcing yourself to do. Point number two: stop waiting for the scale. A lot of people only feel good when the scale moves. But real progress comes from what you do every day. Choosing protein first, skipping the bread at a restaurant, taking a moment instead of reacting to a craving. Those are wins. And when you start giving yourself credit for those, you build consistency. The scale will catch up, but the habits come first. Point number three: reward the process, not with food. Here's where most people miss it. The reward doesn't have to be food. It can be something simple: taking time for yourself, tracking your progress, or even sharing a win with someone who gets it. The goal is to make progress feel good right now, because when it feels good, you want to keep going. And that's how momentum builds. So here's something simple you can do starting today. At the end of your day, ask yourself, what did I do today that moved me forward? Write down 1 to 3 things, no matter how small. That one habit can completely shift your mindset and your results over time. And you want more simple, real-world keto strategies like this? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm here to help you stay consistent, build momentum, and make this something you can stick with for the long run. I'll see you in the next video.